Welcome back to the channel, you guys. We're back on the Camaro. We're gonna be doing spark plugs and coils on this, not the wires. We're just gonna be doing the coils and spark plugs. It's gonna be a simple, quick, straight to the point video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get to it. And before you start anything, don't forget to disconnect the negative cable on your battery to make everything a little bit safer when you're messing with electrics on a car. First thing you're going to do, guys, is take this oil cap off so you can remove this. I'm pretty sure that's not supposed to be that loose, but we'll keep it going. Now that that is off, you can see all of them right there. It's going to be tight on both sides, but they should be easy enough to get to. So I'm going to try to set the camera up so you guys see me take these off. I'll tell you what size you're going to need for these bolts, and yeah, let's get to it. So the bolts that you're seeing me take out now are a 10mm, and I'm going to work around a lot of stuff. We already got the battery disconnected, so I'm going to work around a lot of this stuff. I'm not going to take out stuff that other people might take out of the way. I'm going to work around as much as I can just to show you guys that you don't need to take off everything to get to everything, even though it might be a little more tedious, or it might be less tedious in the long run, because you have to, once you take things off, you have to put them back on. It's not going to be just like, oh, you get to take it off and leave it off. There we go. We got that one off. Like I said, I'm not going to be taking stuff out the way. I'm going to just be trying to move things around if I can. So we're going to be replacing these and the actual spark plugs. So I'm going to get the spark plug out for you and tell you what size tool you're going to need for that as well. Alright guys, we got this out as well. We used a needle nose to pull it out. It did fight me a little bit, but we got it out. So we're gonna replace the spark plug that go in that hole. We're gonna be doing these one by one, just because it's the more thorough way to do it, and I want to make sure everything is tight and how it's supposed to be when I'm working on it. And then I just move on to the next one. We'll time lapse it to get it done quicker, but I'll use the needle nose pliers for this to get this out. And this is the tool I'm going to be using. It's a spark plug removal tool. It's the 5/8, and it fits right over the spark plugs like I need it to. So I just want to show you guys which one I'm using. So I'm going to get to removing that spark plug now. Alright guys, after that time lapse, we got the harder side done first. So now we're gonna move over to the driver's side. We got all 4 done over here, spark plugs and coils. So we're gonna move to the driver's side. Alright guys, we got this side done as well. Every one of them are replaced. And just to reiterate, these are both 10s. And you pull these clips out. You're gonna remove this boot, or whatever you would call it. And you're gonna pull the boot off of the spark plug. And then to get the spark plug loose, you're gonna get a spark plug socket 5/8 to get down in there and get the spark plug out. I know this video wasn't the longest and I didn't go into detail that much, just because doing this on a V8, even though it might seem like a big job, it's still pretty straightforward, especially if it's a GM product. They're pretty easy on us when it comes to design and everything like that. So alright guys, it's getting kind of dark, but that is the end of the video. We did the spark plugs and coils on the SS Camaro, and let me know what you thought about the video. Let me know if it helped you. Let me know if it was to your liking. Leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch me in the next one. Peace.